Hey everyone, I have a new mascara, at least a new mascara for me. I don't believe it's new for the brand. A new mascara to try out. I have it on my eyelashes right now. Let's go ahead and get started with the video so you can see how I apply it and my thoughts on the new mascara. This is called the Essence Call Me Queen Dramatic False Lash Effect Mascara. It does look more like it is like a plastic or a silicone type applicator. I think that the wand looks promising and I'm excited to try this. The package that this came in was so cute. I at first thought that it was a candy wrapper because it came with all my other Amazon subscriptions. I was like, I didn't purchase a candy bar. What is that doing in there? I really like the Essence formula. The last mascara that I used was the Essence Lash Princess. I just didn't like the wand on it. So we're trying out this new one today and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit closer. I'm gonna call this coat number 1 since I didn't re-dip into the mascara tube here. That is what it's looking like. What do we think so far? Let me know in the comments. So we're gonna go into coat number 2 once this kind of dries a little bit. Let's go ahead and do this other eye. Gonna zoom you in. This is what one coat is looking like. I know I do have some mascara on like my eyelid and stuff. I'll go in and clean that up later, but just so you can see the first coat of mascara, what it looks like in an up close shot here. For the second coat, I always go behind my eyelashes, or I guess on the like back side of my eyelashes. Then I go back in with the mascara wand on the front side of the lashes there. Not picking up any more product. I just feel like this really helps the eyelashes to be more pronounced. I just think that it really gives them a little more like zhoosh, boom, like a boom. I don't have words. Take the wand between my fingers and like roll it to the very tips of my eyelashes there. Give it a little bit of a roll. That's just the technique that I use. I'm also going to use that same technique on the front side of my lashes. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. That is what we are looking like right now. I do have little mascara dots on my eyelid and close to my lash line that I will clean up in just a little bit, but I'm gonna let you see what it's looking like right now. My thoughts on the new mascara. I like the new wand. It is kind of spiky, so you can feel that when you're putting the mascara on. It's not a bad thing. I don't know how to describe it. It's sounding like it's bad. I like the different wand. I think that it really helps to separate the lashes and I feel like it coated them really well. It's not clumpy. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think after seeing the up close shots? I really do like the brand Essence. I used their Lash Princess one pretty much every day that I had to work. I used that mascara and it holds up really well. For the price, I believe that it is a really good mascara. I think I got both of these mascaras around the $4.99, $5.99 price range, somewhere around in there, I believe. Really good deal for mascaras in the US. I think it's a good deal from first impressions. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Would you try this mascara? Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. When you hit the bell, it notifies you and lets you know when I post. So that way you don't miss out. I will see you in my next video. Bye!